Hello there, in this video I'm tackling a question that pops up often. How to delete a Wikipedia page entirely? You might also be wondering about removing specific pieces of information. Don't worry, that's related, and I'll touch on it briefly. But the main focus today will be on the complete deletion of a page. I'll give you a straightforward answer right away, and then we'll dive deeper into the details and process. In most cases, it's not possible to completely delete a Wikipedia page, or rather, it might be possible, but it will likely be restored very quickly. There's no valid reason for its deletion. That's the general idea. As always, to create this video, I'm drawing on my experience as a volunteer contributor on Wikipedia since 2012. Since 2022, I've also developed a professional activity around Wikipedia, where I help professionals, institutions, companies, and sometimes individuals or public figures who are interested in contributing to Wikipedia. I operate in a paid capacity while doing my best to adhere to Wikipedia's policies regarding paid contributions. These policies are formalized to ensure the platform retains its neutral character and maintains its encyclopedic quality. For this video, I've also based my content on an article from my website, Wikiconsult. You'll find a link to it in the video description. It provides additional details beyond what I'll discuss here and can help guide you through the process of deleting a Wikipedia page. Here's the plan we'll follow. First point, who has the authority to delete a Wikipedia page? Second, under what circumstances can it be deleted? Third, how do you proceed? And fourth, can you delete just specific parts of an article instead of the whole page? Let's start with the basics. Only Wikipedia administrators or admins have the ability to completely delete a page. However, everyone can blank a page, which essentially means deleting all its content while leaving the URL intact. Now, who are the administrators? Administrators are volunteers elected within the Wikipedia community. For English Wikipedia, there are a little over 800, and each language version has its own administrators. They're not necessarily employees of the Wikimedia Foundation. These admins have enhanced technical tools at their disposal, basically software features that other contributors don't have. However, they don't have any extra editorial authority, meaning they can't unilaterally decide whether a page or its content is good or bad. Admins can delete a page only if the deletion complies with Wikipedia's guidelines, and there is a community consensus supporting the deletion. Now, what about non-admins? If you're not an admin, you can still blank a page. This involves deleting all the content and adding a speedy deletion template, explaining why the page should be deleted. However, if the page doesn't meet deletion criteria, it will likely be restored quickly, and your effort might be a waste of time. Now, what are the criteria for deletion? There is a well-defined list of criteria for deleting or blanking a Wikipedia page. These include, brace yourselves, there are 9 of them. First, the content is completely nonsensical, like random characters or repeated insults. Second, the page is non-encyclopedic, resembling a blog post or personal notes. Third, it's an obvious hoax or contains blatant vandalism. Fourth, the page was recreated after being previously deleted for valid reasons. Fifth, it was created by a banned or blocked account, circumventing restrictions. Sixth, the sole contributor to the page requests its deletion. Seventh, the page was created solely for defamation, intimidation, or harassment. Eighth, the content is promotional or excessively advertising. And ninth, there is a copyright violation. For example, the content is copy pasted from another website. From experience, I know that most people wanting to delete a Wikipedia page don't meet these criteria, so it's essential to understand and verify them before proceeding. So now, how to blank a page. If the page meets the criteria but you're not an admin, you can still blank it. To do this, first go to the page and click Edit Source. Second, select all the text, delete it, and replace it with the speedy deletion templates. Third, clearly explain why you're requesting deletion, citing the relevant criteria. And fourth, submit your edits. As a courtesy, you should notify the page's creator via the user talk page. You can find their username by checking the page history and locating the first contributor. Now, can you delete specific sections? If deleting an entire page isn't an option, you might be able to remove specific sections. However, this must be done carefully and in compliance with Wikipedia's rules. Controversial sections supported by reliable sources usually cannot be deleted outright. Instead, you can add context or balance the narrative with additional information, provided it's sourced from credible third-party media. Okay, so deleting or modifying a Wikipedia page is a nuanced process with strict guidelines. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them below this video, and I do my best to respond. You can also contact me privately for professional assistance. My email is on my website, linked in the video description. See you soon!